Good morning, students. So today we are going to study about the division of polynomial by a monomial. So for example, 4y cubed plus 5y square plus 6y divided by 2y. Now here this is the polynomial and 2y is the monomial. Now this is divisor 2y. So what it means that I have to find out the common factor 2y from here so that it will get cancelled. So 4y cubed. First we will try to find the factors of 4y cubed plus 5y square plus 6y. Now here it is 2y. So let us try to find out 2y. Now we know that 4 is multiple of 2. So 2 2s are. 6 is multiple of 2. 2 3s are. But what about 5? I don't have 2 as a factor for 5. So what to do? So we can do it in this way. See here. 2 into 2 into y into y square plus. Now 5y square I can write it as 2 upon 2 into 5 into y into y plus 2 into 3 into y. Now see what I have done. I know I don't have any factor 2 in 5. So what I have done, I have divided and multiplied by 2. Okay. So automatically, now the meaning of this equation, does it change 5y square? No, because 2 upon 2 is 1. Right. So it does not change. So now we can have 2 as common. See here. This is 1, 2, this is another, and this is the third from all the 3 terms. Okay. And this is y, this is y, this is y. So we can take it out as common now. So 2y. So left is 2 into y square. So 2y square plus. Now see, this numerator 2 goes out. So left is 1. 1 5s are 5 upon 2 and y. Right? 1y goes out as common. So plus here 3. Because 2y goes out as common. Now we are able to form the factors. Now let's go for the division. Okay. So now 4y cubed plus 5y square plus 6y divided by 2y, that is equal to 4y cubed plus 5y square plus 6y upon 2y. Write it in the numerator denominator form. And now write the factors. So that is 2y into 2y square plus 5 upon 2y plus 3 upon 2y. So now what happens? 2y gets cancelled. So left is 2y square plus 5 upon 2y plus 3. That is the answer. Okay. So in this way we can find out the answer. Now there is one more alternative method for this. Let us see that method. Now the alternative method is to divide this as we have done, or to write it in the numerator denominator form and then separate the denominator. See what I mean to say. 4y cubed plus 5y square plus 6y divided by 2y, that is equal to 4y cubed plus 5y square plus 6y upon 2y. This is the alternative method. Now separate the denominators. See what happens. So while separating only, we will try to factorize this. Okay. Now 4y cubed, I can write it as 2 into 2 into y square into y upon 2y plus 5 into y upon 2y. I hope you understand. Plus 2 into 3 into y upon 2y. So we have factorized it and we have separated the denominators. I feel you will feel this as easy. Okay. Now see, y1 the y, 2 1 the 2. Okay. Now here y1 the y, 2 cannot be cancelled as it is y1 the y, 2 1 the 2. Okay. Now see what is left. 2 into y square, so 2y square plus 5 into y, 5 upon 2y to be exact, okay, and plus 3. So you get the same answer. So dear students, it depends upon you which method you need to choose, either first one or this, okay. Most probably it will suit you this second method, okay. So let's now solve some examples from exercise 14.3 question number 2, okay. Now see exercise 14.3 question number 2. Divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. So from that I am solving number 3rd, okay. Now this example looks big, but it's not difficult, okay. The only thing is we are going to follow second method, separation of the denominator, right. Now here if you see here, 8 is multiplied to this whole bracket, and so if I am going to use the separation of denominators, so what I am going to do, I am going to open the bracket and multiply this each term inside the bracket by 8. The reason is so that it will get cancelled, okay, otherwise you may get wrong answer, okay. So first thing what you are supposed to do is write it in the numerator denominator form. 8 x cube y square z square upon 4 x square y square z square, okay, plus 8 x square y cube z square upon 4 x square y square z square, plus 8 x square y square z cube upon 4 x square y square z square. So we have separated the denominator, and at the same time, see here, I have opened the bracket and multiplied the each term by 8. Now we will have the factors of this, okay. Here it is x square, so I want x square. Here it is y square, no question of it. Z square, no question of it, don't factorize it. Here y cube, so y square I need. Here it is z cube, I need z square. So and 8, keep it as it is, don't find the factors, directly we can cancel it. So I can write it like this, 8 into x square into x into y square into z square upon 4 into x square into y square into z square, plus, I hope you understand, okay, plus 8 into x square into y square into y into z square upon 4 into x square into y square into z square, okay, plus 8 into x square into y square into z square, okay, and upon 4 into x square into y square into z square. Now see, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, x square cancelled, y square cancelled, z square cancelled, z square ones are z square, okay. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, x square ones are x square, y square ones are y square, and z square ones are z square, okay. Then 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, then x square ones are x square, y square ones are y square, z square ones are z square. So left is what? See here, 2 into x, so 2x, plus 2 into y, so 2y, plus 2 into z, so 2z. Now again here, what is common? Yes, 2. So take it out as common. So left is x plus y plus z. That is the answer, okay. And so now let us move to the next example. You can use any method as I have shown, both the methods. Some of them might find it easy to take out the common factor out and then divide. The first method I have shown. Or you can use this separation of the denominator method. Will do, okay. Now let's move to the next example. Now see fifth example, p cube q raised to 6 minus p raised to 6 q cube divided by p cube, q cube. So what we can do? So p cube, q raised to 6 minus p raised to 6 q cube divided by p cube, q cube. That is equal to separation of the, first write it in the numerator denominator form. Okay. So p cube, q cube. And then separate the denominators. So p cube, now see, I want q cube. So write the factors into q cube into q cube. 3 plus 3 is 6 upon p cube into q cube minus. Now p raised to 6, I can write it as p cube into p cube into q cube as it is, and upon p cube into q cube. So what happens? P cube 1s are p cube, q cube 1s are q cube, here p cube 1s are p cube, q cube 1s are q cube. So left is q cube minus p cube. That is the answer. Okay. So remaining examples of this question number 2, you will solve them as homework. Now let's move to the next part, that is division of polynomial by a polynomial. Okay. Now see, division of polynomial by a polynomial. So 7x square plus 14x divided by x plus 2. Now in such types of examples, always find the factors of the dividend in such a way that you will have factor similar to that of the divisor, and divisor will get cancelled. Okay. So now 7x square plus 14x. So first we will find out the factors of this. 7x square plus 14x. So how I can write it? Now which method I am going to use here? Yes, method of common factors, because this is not a identity, not an identity. Okay. So 7x square, I can write it as 7 into x plus 14 is multiple of 7. So 7 into 2 into x. So common factors 7 and x. Check it out. Left is x plus 2. You can see it. Okay. And now we are ready for division, because we are successful in doing the factorization. So 7x square divided by 7x square plus 14x divided by x plus 2, that is equal to 7x square plus 14x upon x plus 2. Write it in the numerator denominator form. And now write the factors of this. What I have got? 7x into x plus 2 upon x plus 2. So x plus 2 cancelled. Left is 7x. That is the answer. That is the quotient. Okay. And so in this way we are supposed to divide a polynomial by a polynomial. Let us solve some examples from exercise 14.3, question number 3. Now see question number 3, work out the following divisions. So fourth one from that, 9x square y square in bracket 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy z minus 8. One thing I would like to tell you, 9 and 27 multiples of each other, so no question of it. If you want, you can find the factors of 27, otherwise not necessary. Now the next question is, here it is z minus 8, I don't find it here, but see here 3z minus 24. Yes, 24 is multiple of 3, 3 8s are, so I can have 3 common, and left will be z minus 8. So I can get that. So we will factorize this. Okay, here I want xy, here it is x square y square, so I can write it as x into x. Okay, now here, so 9x square y square 3z minus 24. We will first find out the factors of it. Okay, so 9 into x into x into y into y, and in bracket, if you want you can take out directly, or if you want I can show it. Means direct, how it will be 3 into bracket z minus 8. Now you are ready, you are at the highest level of the game, right? And hence what I feel, you can directly take out the common. Now you know how, what we do. Okay, see here, 3 into z, 3z minus 8 3s are 24. Okay, so if I multiply, I should get the same answer. So So this is the factorization. Now we can go for the division. So 9x square y square into bracket 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy in bracket z minus 8. Bring it in the numerator denominator form. So 9x square y square 3z minus 24 upon 27xy in bracket z minus 8. So that is equal to 9 into x into x into y into 3 into z minus 8 upon. Now this I can write it as 27 into x into y into z minus 8. Now see, 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, 3 ones are 3. Now see, x cancelled, y cancelled and z minus 8 cancelled. So left is, see here, this x and this y. So x into y, that is xy. That is the answer. I hope you will enjoy this. Okay. Now let's solve the fifth example. Now see fifth one, 96ABC 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 30 divided by 144 into a minus 4 into b minus 6. Now you should know that 96 and 144, they are multiples. They come in one table, 24 or 16. So you can find factors in that way. Okay. So 96 ABC, first we will find the factors of this dividend. 96 ABC into 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 30. And I want a minus 4, b minus 6. So I can get it here. Check it. Okay. Now 96 I can write it, suppose 16 6 are. No need to go for prime factorization. Again I repeat, no need to go for prime factorization, because they are going to get cancelled. So if you are master of it, you can do it. So 16 6 are into a into b into c. Now see, 3a minus 12. What is common? Yes, of course. 3 is common. Left is a minus 4. And here 5b minus 30. What is common? 30 is multiple of 5. 5, how many are 30? 6 are. So 5 take out common. Left is a minus 6. Okay. So see here. B minus 6. So you can see here b minus 6, a minus 4. You are getting common. Now let us find the factors of 144 also. 144 a minus 4 into b minus 6, that is equal to 144 16 9s are into a minus 4 into b minus 6. Now let us go for actual division. So 96 ABC into 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 30 divided by 144 a minus 4 into b minus 6. That is equal to, write it in the numerator denominator form. So the first condition. So 96 ABC into 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 30 divided by 144 into a minus 4 into b minus 6. Okay. Now let us write these all factors. So that is equal to 16 into 6 into a into b into c into 3 into bracket a minus 4 into 5 into bracket b minus 6 upon. Now 144, what I have written? 16 into 9 into a minus 4 into b minus 6. Okay. Now see, 16 ones are 16, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, and see, 3 ones are 3, got cancelled. Okay. A minus 4, a minus 4, cancelled. B minus 6, b minus 6, cancelled. Now if you find it difficult, what do you do? Write all the factors again. 2 into a into b into c into 5. Now 5 twos are 10, and answer is so 10 a b c. That is what the answer is. So remaining questions of question third, 1, 2 and 3, try to solve them as homework. Now teaching part is completed. Now applications of it. So question number 4. Let's move to next question of this particular exercise, question number 4. Now question 4 is do as directed. So from that third one, 52 PQR into P plus Q into Q plus R into R plus P divided by 104 PQ into Q plus R into R plus P. Don't get tensed. It looks bigger example, but it's easy. See here. 52 and 104, they are multiples of each other. No need to go for factorization. Okay, now I have got P plus Q, I don't have here. Q plus R, I have got. R plus P, I have got. So first what I will do, write it in the numerator denominator form. Okay, so that is equal to 52 PQR into P plus Q into Q plus R into R plus P upon 104 PQ into Q plus R into R plus P. Now separate them. See here, 52 into P. This is just for our simplification, nothing else, so that we don't make mistakes. Okay, to avoid them, we are just writing them in the form of multiplication signs, nothing else. Upon 104 into P into Q into Q plus R into R plus P. Now see, 52 ones are 52, 52 twos are 104. Okay, P cancelled, Q cancelled, Q plus R cancelled, R plus P cancelled. So left is, what is left? Yes, R into bracket P plus Q upon 2. Or some may write it like this, R upon 2 in bracket P plus Q. Or some may write like this, 1 upon 2 multiplied by R into P plus Q. All the answers are correct. Okay, so it depends how you present the answer. Okay, this is what the expected answer is. Okay, so I feel it's easy, right? Now let's move to the next example. Now see fourth example, 20 into bracket y plus 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3 divided by 5y plus 4. Now 20 and 5 cancelable. 20 is multiple of 5 and I know that, right? Then y plus 4 cancelable. So there is no such factorization. So first write it in the numerator denominator form. So 20 into y plus 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3 upon 5 into bracket y plus 4. Then I can write it as 20 into y plus 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3 upon 5 into y plus 4. So that is equal to, okay, so 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, y plus 4 ones are y plus 4. Cancel. So left is what? 4 into bracket y square plus 5y plus 3. That is the expected answer. Okay, so remaining examples from this, that is 1, 2 and 5, you will do it as homework. Now let's move to the last exercise of last question of this particular exercise, 14.3, that is question number 5. Factorize the expressions and divide them as directed. Now see, second one from question number 5, m square minus 40 and m minus 32 divided by m plus 2. Now this is, yes, it's a quadratic type of equation. So we need to factorize it first, so that I should get a factor which will cancel this divisor m plus 2. So we have learned this. So first let us factorize this. M square minus 14m minus 32. What is the sign here? Oh yes, of course it is minus. So which operation? Yes, subtraction. So I should do subtraction in such a way that on subtraction I should get minus 14. Means what? That the bigger factor should have obviously negative sign, right? So minus 32. How I can write it as? Yes, 16 twos are 32 and bigger factor should have minus sign. Check it. 16 twos are 32, minus into plus minus, and minus 16 plus 2 minus 14. So now we have m square minus 16m plus 2m minus 32. Group them. Then here the common is m. So left is m minus 16. Now what you will take it as common? Which sign? Now here it is minus. Already minus is there. So just I have to take plus sign so that there will be no change in the sign. And 2 obviously. So left is m minus 16. Check it. Plus into plus, plus 2 into m, 2m. Plus into minus, minus 16 to the 32. Yes. Now, what is common here? Yes, m minus 16. So left is m plus 2. So we are able to factorize it. Now we can go for the actual division. So m square minus 14m minus 32 divided by m plus 2. That is equal to. So first write it in the numerator denominator form. M square minus 14m minus 32 upon m plus 2. Now factors of this. What are they? M minus 16 into m plus 2 upon m plus 2. So what happens? M plus 2 gets cancelled and the answer is m minus 16. I hope you understand and you will enjoy it. Okay? So let's move to the next example. Now see fourth one. 4yz into z square plus 6z minus 16 divided by 2y into z plus 8. So we need to factorize this. Okay? So we will take this first. Z square plus 6z minus 16. Right? Now here, what is the sign? Of course, this sign. It is negative. That is which operation? Subtraction. And on subtraction, what I should get? Plus 6. So means what? Bigger factor should have plus sign. Right? So minus 16. Minus 16. What it will be? 8 2s are 16. Right? Now, bigger factor should have plus sign. So smaller factor should have negative sign. Check it. 8 2s are 16 plus into minus minus. And 8 minus 2. 6. Okay? So now here. Z square plus 8z minus 2z minus 16. So group them. Now here z is common. So left is z plus 8. Now see, I need plus sign, but here both are negative. So what I should take out common? Of course, minus sign and 2. So left is z plus 8. Check it. Minus into plus, minus. 2 into z, 2z. Minus into plus, minus. 2 into 8, 16. Right? Now what is common? Z plus 8. So left is z minus 2. So we are successful in factorizing this particular equation. Okay. Now 4yz into z square plus 6z minus 16 divided by 2y into z plus 8. So write this in numerator denominator form. So 4 into y into z square plus 6z minus 16 upon 2 into y into z plus 8. Now what do you do? Write the factors of this. Okay. So 4 into y into z into, what are the factors? Yes, z plus 8 and z minus 2 upon 2 into y into z plus 8. Now see, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, y cancel, z plus 8 cancel. So left is 2 z and yes, z minus 2. That is the answer. Right? Now let's move to the next example. Now see sixth one, 12xy into 9x square minus 16y square divided by 4xy into bracket 3x plus 4y. If you do the close observation, see this. Both the terms are square terms and they are separated by minus sign. So identity. Is it identity? Yes. Which identity? Identity number 3rd. So first we will factorize this. Okay. So 9x square minus 16y square. So how I can write it as 3x whole square minus 4y whole square. Got it in the form of identity, which is that, oh yes, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now, so this will be 3x plus 4y and 3x minus 4y. That is what the factorization of it. Now let's go for the original example. So 12xy, that is division, into 9x square minus 16y square divided by 4xy into 3x plus 4y in bracket. So bring it in the numerator denominator form. So 12xy into 9x square minus 16y square upon 4xy into 3x plus 4y. Now separate the terms. So 12 into x into y. Now 9x square minus 16y square, I can write that factors. So into 3x plus 4y into 3x minus 4y upon 4 into x into y into 3x plus 4y. Now see, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. X cancelled. Y cancelled. 3x plus 4y cancelled. Left is 3 into bracket 3x minus 4y. That is the answer. Right? Now let's move to the next example. I hope you will like these examples. Okay? Now see seventh one, 39y cube into 50y square minus 98 divided by 26y square into 5y plus 7. Now 26 and 39, you know, they are multiples of, yes, obviously 13. So no need to worry about it. Okay, here it is y square, here it is y cube. I can factorize this. Question is, I don't have 5y plus 7 here. So what to do? So definitely this is to be factorized. Now 5y square minus 98. Y square is a square term, but what about 50 and 98? So take out something common from that. See here, 25 2s are 50, 49 2s are 98. And if you take out 2 common, both the terms then become square term. So first let us factorize this. 50y square minus 98. Now this I can write it as 2 into 25 y square minus 2 into 49. So take out 2 common. So left is 25y square minus 49. Now see, both the terms are square terms separated by minus sign. So which identity I can use? Identity number 3rd, right? And hence bring it to that form. So this I can have 5y whole square minus 7 whole square. So that is a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now when we write it in that form, so 2 into bracket 5y plus 7 and 5y minus 7. So we are successful in factorizing this. Now let's go to our original example. So 39y cubed into bracket 50y square minus 98 divided by 26y square into bracket 5y plus 7. So write it in the numerator denominator form. So that is equal to 39y cubed into bracket 50y square minus 98 upon 26y square into bracket 5y plus 7. So now I can write this as 39 into y square into y, because here it is y square, here it is y cube. So write it in that form. And into, now 50y square minus 98, these are the factors. So into 2 into 5y plus 7 into 5y minus 7 upon 26 into y square into 5y plus 7. I hope you understand. Now see, 13 3s are 39, 13 2s are 26, 2 1s are 2, y square cancelled, 5y plus 7, 5y plus 7 cancelled, left is 3 into y into 5y minus 7, check it, 3y, 5y minus 7, because there are many cancelable terms and so you may make mistake, and so be careful. So the final answer 3y into bracket 5y minus 7. Okay. So remaining examples of this question number 5 also solve them as homework. So dear students, I hope whatever the division of polynomials by monomial then by polynomial, whatever I have taken the examples, you have understood. If there is any difficulty, definitely you can contact me in the school, okay, and you can discuss the examples that you have not understood, okay, and so try to solve the remaining examples as homework. And tomorrow again we'll meet in my next video. Can you find the error? Okay, so there are various ways in which we commit the mistakes. So what are that mistakes we commit while solving such examples? That's what we are going to discuss in my next video. So hope you will enjoy that video too. So let us stop here today and meet in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.